name is Charlie and I'm from Ysgol Morfa Rhianedd in Wales. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pasta bolognese. First of all, you're going to need a quarter of an onion, so I'm going to cut it up now. Next, you're going to cut it up into little pieces. You can keep it as long pieces, or you can either cut them into little pieces like I'm going to do. Second of all, we're going to need our minced beef, so we're going to go ahead and add that to the bowl along with our onions. Give it a little bit of a mix, and then we're going to add our seasonings. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic, but you can use garlic cloves if you want. Next, we're going to add salt. Oh, I forgot my teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of salt. Second of all, you'll need a small handful of parsley. Now you'll need 1 teaspoon of coriander. Now, we need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Before we carry on, we're just going to give this a little bit of a mix. Now we're going to add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Next, we're going to add quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper. before we get on to rolling the meatballs, I'm going to put a little bit of vegetable oil in. But if you want to choose the healthier version, you can put olive oil in. I'm going to put a pretty good amount in here. First of all, I'm going to turn the oven on. I'm going to put it at a medium heat at about 5. And then I'm going to put a quarter of the pasta in. Rebecca, please could you turn the cold water on? I need to make sure that the cold water is above the pasta so the pasta will expand. While that's been heating up, we've been making our meatballs. How you do them is you just take a handful of beef, squish it together and make it into a ball. Roll it up. To gently put them down. I want to try and get them all in roughly at the same time, but you spread it around. And I'm just going to keep an eye on the meatballs, turning them over, while I concentrate on the sauce. So first you're going to add some chopped tomatoes, just a beef stock cube, some oregano, a pinch of oregano, some garlic, and some onions. Now I'm going to Now that the meatballs are cooked throughout, as you can see, inside, we're going to add the sauce to heat up. Now that the pasta is done, I'm going to drain the water out of it. And if you're a master chef like me, you would have left a lovely mess for your mum and dad. Voila!